All right, good morning, Sylvia here. Welcome to Travels by Trike. I am riding the trail of the Coeur d'Alene near Medimont, Idaho. I'm with some trekking friends. This is a post-TOT ride. I actually was very sick during TOT, missed many of the rides, and there's a number of us who have hung out after TOT, and so we're riding today. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. We started at Bull Run Trailhead, and we are riding to Harrison today. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Run, little Ivy, run. Running. Wow.
Scared him off.
See you later, Moose. Very nice to meet you. We have just had lunch in Harrison at the One Shot Charlie's Grill. And we come out and we are seeing people from Tater TOT. These are Boise trikers. Nice to see. And we've got Dave and Barb and Patty with little Lunita and Edna with Ivy. And Todd's around here somewhere. We'll see him. We'll see him soon enough. This is our turnaround point, so we're gonna go back to where we started. All right, let's go. All right, we got video of Todd, and I'm sure I'll get him as he passes. Yep. And here's Miss Lunita. Yes, little cutie pie.
Or something.
He's okay. He moved his.
Yeah, he was. I picked him up. I'm gonna put him over here.
What a sweetheart. Oh, we're gonna put you out on the.
Get off this trail.
Get him off the trail where it's
Yeah,
safer.
God, right?
Yeah, well, very nice to meet you, Mr.
Okay,
Turtle.
here we go, buddy.
There he is. See you later, Turtle. Just having all kinds of wildlife experiences out here today. Very fun. Could be an osprey. I think there's a baby in that nest.
I think there is.
Yeah, I'm seeing her from the back. And maybe this is Papa?
By their place?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Excuse me.
Very nice. Thank you, you guys. Get a shot of both the ewes. Beautiful. All right, we were coming to the end of this ride. We rode from Medimont to Harrison on the trail of the Coeur d'Alene in Idaho. I think it's going to be about 36.5 miles round trip, and it's just been a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm actually feeling a little bit overdressed wearing my windbreaker, but I was too lazy to take it off and put it away, so I just kept it on. And this is a post-Tot ride. Everybody left yesterday, almost everybody, and I was pretty sick during Tot. I had some kind of a nasty flu, not COVID, but something else nobody else had, and so I was pretty out of it, missed a number of rides, and so it was wonderful to be with my Portland buddies and with Todd, who lives locally, and do some riding with everybody. We saw a lot of wildlife. Just an absolutely gorgeous trail out here. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you next time.